Today I'm taking a look at something that is fairly unique. This is a wireless CarPlay to Android Auto adapter. So if your car has CarPlay but it does not have Android Auto, you'll still be able to connect it to your Android phone using this adapter. So it comes with some 3M adhesive, so if you want to stick this to your car so it's not going to be just dangling from the USB port, you got this to make that happen. We got our instructions, and we got our adapter. So one thing about this one is pretty neat. We can just plug this directly into a USB port. We don't have to worry about having it actually dangling off from a cable. But they also included a cable, so in the event that we want to get a little bit more reach, we can do that. And this is actually a fairly nice braided cable. You can also see this goes from USB-A to USB-C, so if you do not have a USB-A port on your car, but you do have USB-C, we can use this to make that still work. There's a very nice carbon fiber look. Looks like we got a hole right there for an LED, so we know we actually got power and nothing really else going on. No other interface. We just plug this in and now we'll be ready to go. So plug the guy in and start the car. Okay, so it is reading it as Apple CarPlay and it's showing it as SmartBox 430D, and we hit pair. And there we go. I don't have a wire going into my phone and it is connected to Android Auto. So what I'm curious about now, if I shut off my car and I restart my car, okay, so the phone did pick it up. And we are reconnected, just like that. So now I can just leave this phone in my pocket. I don't have to worry about it. I just get in my car, start it, and I will automatically be connected. So that is awesome. And I can also appreciate this is a small little dongle. It's not going to be getting in the way. So that is a very nice little adapter.